What's going on today? Well, we're going to hear from President Trump later tonight, and it's all about reopening our economy. But how practical is it? Right now in the market, we'd be lucky to open in June. Some people are thinking it's going to be August. So I'm curious to see what he has to say. And if he addresses the small business loans, because those PPP loans, that $350 billion issued 2 weeks ago, gone. And I think we can all agree, for people to keep jobs, businesses need to stay afloat. The jobless claims that came in this week, higher than anticipated, but it could have been a lot worse. And what's really interesting is essentially in the last 4 weeks, the coronavirus has wiped out all of the gains that we've had since the Great Recession. And I think if you look at the coronavirus numbers today versus where they were last week in regards to deaths, we're double. So does that mean next week we double again? I mean, this is something that's very, very much on the radar in that regard. And then you look at Singapore, this is like a second wave environment, second wave principle, however you want to call it. They closed, they shuttered, they reopened, and now they're reporting increases of new coronavirus cases. So I think this is something to really pay attention to and learn from. In the meantime, we got manufacturing out of Philly Fed, and it was dismal. Again, another dismal number. I think it's like the worst in 40 some odd years. However, on the housing starts and permits, it was not as bad as could have been. So we're having some volatility today. I'll keep you up to date and talk to you tomorrow.